So what's up, my track fans? And today we will be reporting a very sad breaking news about Shericka Jackson. Now, before we continue with the news, in case this happens to be your first time here on this YouTube channel, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe. So as we all know, Shericka Jackson and Shakara Richardson were both announced to race this weekend in Miramar Invitational, right? And recently, Shakari Richardson from the United States of America made an announcement that she will not be participating in this Miramar Invitational race. And now back to Shericka Jackson, because she is the reason why I make this video. We all know Shericka Jackson is one of the best Jamaican sprinter, right? So now I'm so sorry to report this, because even me, I was literally sad when I heard about this. And I know definitely you watching this video will also be sad. So it's about Shericka Jackson also canceling the Miramar Invitational. So breaking news, Shericka Jackson has also cancelled her Miramar Invitational race, and I'll be reading every article. So Shericka Jackson went on her official Facebook account and announced that she is canceling the race, and this is what she wrote. She said, "Never quit. Unfortunately, I, Shericka Jackson, won't be competing at the Miramar Invitational this Saturday. We'll definitely keep you all updated when the season open is scheduled." So this is Shericka Jackson from Jamaica literally announcing to her fans that she will not be participating in the Miramar Invitational. Unfortunately, this is one of the saddest, like this week has all been much intertwined with sad news every single day. Like, I was literally sad when I heard that Shericka will not be at the Miramar Invitational. Let's not also forget that Shakara Richardson yesterday announced that she also will not be at the Miramar Invitational. So definitely it's a sad news, track fans. But I don't know you watching this video how you feel, but seriously, honestly, the reality is right now I'm very sad. Now let's discuss the reason. Let's discuss the reason behind why you think these athletes are trying to miss these races. Do you believe they are afraid of each other? Do you think the reason is because they are afraid of each other, or you believe they have their personal reasons, or maybe you believe they are injured and they are trying to hide something? Whatever it is, track fans, let me hear your opinions in the comment sections.